so we're with Tristan in the rain, almost rain, and she had lost her voice already, so we're not going to keep you out.
Okay.
This is your envelope.
Thank you.
Thanks for shipping with us. I won't ask you a lot of things.
Thank
But
you.
do you know about our Dollar Day promotion?
No, I don't.
You don't know about the Dollar Day promotion?
No, I don't.
Now, anytime you ship an envelope like this,
Okay.
between April 28th
Okay.
and May 3rd, once it reaches us during that time,
Okay.
you pay $1 for it.
Okay.
For the shipping.
So,
Just $1.
okay, so I could go ahead and
So
order
you're
more
ready.
stuff.
Yes,
Yes.
line it up so it reaches during that time.
Yes. And I'm gonna recommend you guys to people too because I've been with other shipping company and
You just
no
love
good.
it.
I love you guys. And then I don't have to go to pick it up. You bring it
Okay.
to me and that's
You love
convenient.
that.
Yeah.
And you see how much I talk without the voice? That means you really,
Yeah.
really love us, guys.
Yeah, because I do music too and
Oh, you
sometimes
do?
yeah, I don't have the time to like, get stuff. So when you guys bring it, that's more convenient for me. It's cool.
Almost ask you to drop a line for me about the voice.
I'm gonna send you something in WhatsApp.
You know what's up? All right,
Yeah.
looking forward to it.
Yeah, I just did a couple of new stuff and I have all the old stuff, but I'm gonna send you something in the WhatsApp.
We'll talk. Because
Yeah.
anytime that voice come back, I'm definitely gonna come back and see you.
Definitely.
All right, so have a good one. Don't
Thank
appreciate
you.
yourself too much. All right, bye bye.